Good morning. I am Gaurav Purohit and I will be speaking for the motion on the topic the continuous lockdown in India has dealt an irreparable damage to both students as well as education system. So as we are going through this lockdown due to COVID-19, so according to me there are some points which I will be speaking in this whole video. First point, due to these online classes, one cannot study in online classes due to household works because he might be thinking to help his mother or doing some household tasks, so he or she can't concentrate on his studies, and this will affect her his or her pointers or grades. In this I will be covering second point. Now second point is that due to this lockdown 10th and 12th classes exams have been shifted, and due to this shifting of exams one loses his flow or loses his concentration or loses his focus on the studies, and they can't prepare for the after 12th courses. Now, in this, I have further points that suppose if any online exam is being conducted in the college or the classes in schools. So, if the network issues persist, then one can't easily go through the net, and there will be network issues, and his or her pointers will be affected because of that Viva going wrong or the exams going wrong due to the different online MCQs being conducted. Now, one more point. Because of this lockdown, uh, one cannot solve his or her doubts as there is lack of physical classes, and when there is no physical classes, suppose as we are from this century 20th century, but still we can't cope up with the actual speed level of the teachers, so they miss out their important concepts or the different concepts being taught by the teachers in the classes, and they cannot cope up with the course limits. So according to me, this lockdown has caused a real damage or irreparable damage or whatever say damage to each and every student as well as education system as a whole. Thank you.